Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is my art channel. Today we're going to be doing another paper squishy video. It's been a long time since we've done one of these videos. It's been about 6 months, which is kind of crazy to me. It definitely doesn't feel like that long, and then you blink and it's been 6 months. If you like these types of videos, I've done quite a few other paper squish videos. I'll link the playlist in the iCards above. This video is also going to be a blind bag video. I feel like these types of videos are really popular on YouTube, but I just haven't gotten around to doing one. It is something that I've been wanting to try though, so here we are. If you don't know what a blind bag is, the concept is that you have a sealed bag and what is in it is a mystery. And a lot of times it's part of like a collectible series and you want to get all of the parts of the series. I did this process a little bit different than what I normally do. Normally I draw everything traditionally for the paper squishies, and you definitely can. But because I knew this was going to be a blind bag video, I knew already that I wanted to make the blind bags and a bag that holds them all digitally, just for time's sake. Hello! Editing Lacey here. I just wanted to say that I forgot to tell you guys that I actually got this template for the big bag and the little mini bags from another YouTuber. Their YouTube name is Lily Art and Craft. She has templates linked in her description. I will just put that in the description below as well, so you guys can go check it out if you want to make your own. I just used the shapes of the bags pretty much, and then I drew my own Squishmallows, so you guys could do that as well if you want to. What I did was I just took her template, put it in Procreate, and then just trace the outline of it so I could recreate it. So hope that helps. Alright, I just wanted to be transparent with you guys. Thanks. Bye. I've seen a lot of videos and posts where people are making paper squishies that are Squishmallows. You can see I have a couple of Squishmallows. I have the narwhal up there, I have this little unicorn right here, and I have Togepi right here. And if you've been here for a while, you'll know that I'm an online art teacher, and I actually have a class where we draw Squishmallows together. If you have a kid that's 18 or younger and you'd like to sign them up for the class, I usually teach around 7 to 12-year-olds. I have a link tree in the description below. You can click it, see all the links, and check out the class. It's on Outschool. So it seemed really fun to try doing the Squishmallow paper squishies, so that's what I decided to do. And the weather outside, it's been like 50s to 80s, like kind of a big range, but it feels very autumnal, so I decided to do an autumn theme as well. It may be premature, but just let me live my best autumn life. So after I designed the bag, I went ahead and I printed out the designs, and then I used those as a template for my paper squishies. I just brought down the opacity and then I just colored right on top of them. Recently I've been having a slight art block. Mainly I've just been catching up on a lot of things in my personal life. So I've been really lacking like motivation just to get my YouTube videos going. And ever since I was in the US, I've just been a little bit sick since I've gotten back. So I've been really tired, and I was willing to take all the shortcuts just to get this video out and like push through that art block, so to speak.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Yeah. Maybe it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, you caught my eye. Whatever, should I cross that line? I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
After I colored my Squishmallow designs, I went ahead and printed it again and then just cut those out to make like the backs of the paper squishies. You can color the backs of them, but personally I just don't, just to save time, but you can if you want to. Once I did that, I went ahead and put tape on the front and the back, but I left a slit at the top to put in the toy stuffing. And if you don't have toy stuffing, there's a lot of other things that you can use. You can use paper, trash bags, cotton balls, sponges, foam, scrap pieces of fabric, paper towels or napkins, whatever you want, something kind of soft to squish. There's a lot of options out there, so I'm sure you could find something. Then you just want to close off the top, cut off all the excess tape, and then usually after I do that, I go ahead and give it a few test squish just to see if tape will gape, and then if it does, I'll just put a little bit more tape on it.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause
Then I put each paper squishy in its own bag, and all the bags are the same, so you don't know which one is in which one. And then you can see a little fun video of me opening them. I also think it could be a good gift for someone who really likes Squishmallows, like just for fun, just to open them for fun. I'm going to save the rest of all of my paper squishies just for like my short form content. You already know what they look like because we made them together, but if you want to see them, I'll put them on the YouTube shorts, but I'll also put them on my other forms of social media. Again, all of those links are in the link tree in the description. And if you want to try to make them as well, I love to see them, so you can tag me on social media if you want to. If you made it this far, you can put an emoji in the chat below. Let's choose an emoji that symbolizes autumn for you. And if you have any suggestions of what paper squishies I should do next, or anything else that you'd like to see me do, you can put those in the comments too. I would love to hear from all of you. I love chatting with all of you in the comments. Well, I am going to end here for now. I hope that all of you are having a wonderful week so far. Thank you for being a part of my art journey and letting me be a part of yours. I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video. And here's all the paper squishies in the bag without their mystery bags. I just think that's cute, and I think I'll just keep that with all the other paper squishies that I've made so far. And I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Goodbye now.